Hi, and welcome to the first video on a series about the BinaryEdge Scanning platform. Today we're going to start by the Scans tab, and it's in this tab that any customer can do their own custom scans. Whenever you do a scan, it will show up here on your list, whether it was successful or if it failed. You can go into details. You can click on a scan, look at how many IPs were found, ports open, events, the distribution of countries, the modules that were used, and I'll explain what the modules are in a little bit as it's quite an important piece. You can also go deeply into each IP address and see the results for each of the ports. So let's try a new scan. We'll call it the BinaryEdge demo video scan. We'll say it's for the protocol TCP. We'll put an IP address in here, and I'll essentially go and get one of our target IP addresses for that. We'll say port 6022, which is where we've got running the SSH service, and then we've got the modules. And the modules are essentially pieces of code that are used to extract extra information about specific protocols. I'm not going to talk too much about it, as we've got a really detailed page that explains each and every single module with data samples and what they do. I'll make sure that the link is in the description. Going back to our scan, so for here we'll pick the SSH module. We'll press submit. This will redirect us to our scans page. It shows up here as requested. At some point it will say, instead of requested, started and successful. So we can see that one open port is found. If we refresh it, it's been successful. And we see here that we can see all the information related to the SSH service. All the algorithms, the ciphers, and the banner. And that concludes our Scans tab.